And as you can see right here, what we're gonna do, now that we have it locked down, it's just gonna be a slight press. It's gonna be a press down. And again, you don't have to force it in there. And you just hold it down with one finger, twist, and now it is secure. So you can see right there, it's secure, and you're good to go. All right. So now what we want to do is we can go ahead and put our memory in there. So we'll take the memory here, and you can see where the where everything kind of lines up, and you'll see right here where it says DIM 1, DIM 2, DIM 1 and DIM 2 for 1A, A2, B1 and B2. So for dual channel memory, go ahead and put it in there because it'll only fit in there one way. And then you secure it. And again, you don't have to force anything down. All right. And we'll slot these in like so. And like I said, slide them in nice and gentle, and you'll hear them click. Easy day. All right, now what we want to do is a lot of times what I like to do before I kind of get into the weeds of everything, if you have any type of exhaust fans or anything, go ahead and take care of those now, so then you'll know how much how many plugs you'll need for your fans, so you can kind of work that stuff out. So we have the blue fan that we're going to put, and that'll be my intake or outtake fan. And you can put them, and the cool thing about these fans right here, you can put them in kind of however you want. Move that because it's a little shimmer, so you guys can kind of see. And they have the standoffs right here, and then you can install these like so, or you can install them up here, or you can install them up here. So either way, you can get them installed. The good thing about them is they have the screws, the longer screws. So if you're installing them on the back side, you'll have the long enough screws for them. And then so I have this one, and I went ahead and purchased another one. So it's the same company, but it's just this one's white. So I got a little blue and white action, and you just insert them like so. Let's put them in here, and then you can kind of thread them through here. For this, I'm just going to show you just how to do just the one, and then I'll install them how I see fit. This one goes, the little rubber standoff part, one goes on this part, then one goes on the other part. So I was just showing you for reference. I'm going to pause the video, and I am going to install these because, again, I don't want to bore you guys or anything like that, but just to show you guys what it actually looks like. Also, the next thing that I'll probably be working on is I'll show you this. This is the video card. This is a GTX 1070. So when you're putting in the video card, you flick this down here. This little switch, and this lines up. And then all you do is drop it in there like so. And then it seats right in there. I'm just showing you just for reference. So when we come back, this will be installed. I may put it in the other part, just depending on where I actually want to put it. It'll just depend, but I just wanted to show you guys that, just so, again, trying to speed the video up. Don't want you guys to be here all day. Also, This portion right here is for your main power. So this will be the last thing that you install. This will go in this portion right here, right there. This portion, this 8-pin connector will go right here. As you can see, I'll uncover, and then right there. And then you can match up everything around the board to fit whatever components that you have. Now, for the processor, we'll go back through and these come off. If it's a larger processor, as you can see, we've got it already right here. And so this part will come up, and this part will be for the actual heat sink. So the processor goes in, you take it out, and then it has a small little arrow right here, and that basically indicates, let me see if you guys can see that. Hold on. So I want you guys to really, if you guys can, there's a little small arrow right there in the corner that basically indicates, that matches up with this small arrow right here. And then all that happens is this part comes up and it moves a little bit, and then you just drop it right on in there. And again, you shouldn't have to force anything. So it comes down like this, click, and you're good to go. All right. So again, when I come back, I'll do a part 2, because this one's getting kind of long, and I'll do a part 2, and a lot of this stuff will be in, and then we'll probably go over the setup and all that other stuff. So again, don't want to keep you guys here too long. You guys have been here long enough already. You guys take care of each other. Peace.